You need to watch this if you struggle with high cholesterol. High cholesterol is a common concern for many people, and it can be quite confusing to navigate the world of dietary advice. With so much conflicting information out there, it's hard to know what to believe. But don't worry, we're here to help you make sense of it all. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of eggs and cholesterol. Are eggs really as bad as some people say? Or can they actually be part of a healthy diet, even if you have high cholesterol? Let's find out together. Are eggs off the table forever? This is a question that many people with high cholesterol ask themselves. Eggs have been a staple in diets around the world for centuries, but in recent years, they've come under scrutiny for their cholesterol content. Some health experts have warned against eating eggs, while others have said they're perfectly fine in moderation. So, what's the truth? Can you enjoy eggs without worrying about your cholesterol levels? Let's explore the science behind this debate. Well, let's crack this mystery open. To understand the relationship between eggs and cholesterol, we need to look at what cholesterol is and how it affects our bodies. Cholesterol is a type of fat that's found in every cell in our bodies. It's essential for producing hormones, vitamin D, and substances that help digest foods. However, too much cholesterol in the blood can lead to the buildup of plaques in the arteries, which can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, where do eggs fit into this picture? Eggs have gotten a bad rap for their cholesterol content, but are they really that bad? One large egg contains about 186 milligrams of cholesterol, which is more than half of the recommended daily intake for most people. This has led some to believe that eating eggs can significantly raise blood cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. But recent research has challenged this notion. Studies have shown that for most people, dietary cholesterol has a much smaller impact on blood cholesterol levels than previously thought. In fact, the body regulates its own cholesterol production based on the amount of cholesterol consumed in the diet. Recent studies say, not so much. Researchers have found that for the majority of people, eating eggs does not significantly raise blood cholesterol levels or increase the risk of heart disease. In fact, some studies have even suggested that eggs can have a positive impact on heart health. For example, eggs are a good source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, which are all important for maintaining overall health. Additionally, eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect against eye diseases and other health issues. For most folks, moderate egg consumption, think one a day, doesn't significantly impact heart health. Surprised? It's true. The key word here is moderate. While eating a dozen eggs a day is probably not a good idea, enjoying an egg or two as part of a balanced diet is generally considered safe for most people. In fact, some studies have shown that moderate egg consumption can actually be beneficial for heart health. For example, one study found that people who ate one egg per day had a lower risk of developing heart disease compared to those who ate fewer eggs. So, if you love eggs, there's no need to give them up entirely. Here's the deal. Dietary cholesterol doesn't affect blood cholesterol as much as we once thought. This is a crucial point to understand. For many years, it was believed that eating foods high in cholesterol, like eggs, would directly raise blood cholesterol levels. However, more recent research has shown that the relationship between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol is not as straightforward as we once thought. In fact, the body has a complex system for regulating cholesterol levels, and for most people, dietary cholesterol has only a modest impact on blood cholesterol levels. Instead, other factors, such as genetics, overall diet, and lifestyle, play a much larger role in determining blood cholesterol levels. The real culprits are saturated and trans fats. While dietary cholesterol has a relatively small impact on blood cholesterol levels, saturated and trans fats have a much more significant effect. These types of fats can raise levels of LDL, bad cholesterol in the blood, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Foods high in saturated and trans fats include things like fast food, processed snacks, and baked goods. So, if you're concerned about your cholesterol levels, it's more important to focus on reducing your intake of these unhealthy fats rather than worrying too much about dietary cholesterol. So, eggs can still be part of a balanced diet. The key to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Eggs can certainly be part of this equation. They provide high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals, and healthy fats. When combined with other healthy foods like vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, eggs can contribute to a nutritious and satisfying meal. So, don't be afraid to include eggs in your diet as long as you're mindful of your overall dietary patterns and lifestyle choices. But hey, if you've got high cholesterol, chat with your doc before you go full omelet. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have high cholesterol or other health concerns. Your doctor can help you determine the best dietary approach for your individual needs and provide personalized recommendations based on your health status and risk factors. They may also suggest other lifestyle changes, such as increasing physical activity, managing stress, and quitting smoking to help improve your cholesterol levels and overall heart health. They might suggest sticking to egg whites or limiting your intake. If you're concerned about the cholesterol content of eggs, one option is to focus on egg whites, which are cholesterol-free and still provide high-quality protein. You can use egg whites in a variety of dishes, from omelets to scrambles to baked goods. Another option is to limit your intake of whole eggs and balance them with other protein sources, such as fish, poultry, beans, and nuts. By making these adjustments, you can still enjoy the nutritional benefits of eggs while keeping your cholesterol levels in check. Bottom line, eggs in moderation are generally A-okay. The takeaway message is that eggs can be part of a healthy diet, even if you have high cholesterol, as long as you eat them in moderation and pay attention to your overall dietary patterns. Eggs are a nutritious and versatile food that can provide many health benefits when included as part of a balanced diet. So, go ahead and enjoy your eggs, but remember to keep an eye on your portion sizes and pair them with other healthy foods to create a well-rounded meal. So, go ahead, enjoy that sunny side up without the worry. There's no need to feel guilty about enjoying a delicious sunny side up egg for breakfast. As long as you're mindful of your overall diet and lifestyle, you can savor your eggs without worrying too much about their impact on your cholesterol levels. Remember, moderation is key, and it's important to focus on the bigger picture of your overall health and well-being. And if you found this helpful, give us a like and hit subscribe for more quick health tips. We hope this video has helped clear up some of the confusion around eggs and cholesterol. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. We're here to help you make informed decisions about your health and wellness, so stay tuned for more videos on a variety of health topics. Thanks for watching, and take care. Welcome back to our deep dive on eggs and cholesterol. In this chapter, we're going to explore the nutritional benefits of eggs. Eggs are often referred to as a superfood, and for good reason. They are a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can support overall health and well-being. So, what exactly makes eggs so nutritious? First up, protein. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, making it a perfect addition to your diet, whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or simply maintain good health. But that's not all. Eggs are also packed with vitamins and minerals. They contain significant amounts of vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Eggs are also a good source of vitamin D, which helps with calcium absorption and bone health. Additionally, they provide vitamins A, E, and K, as well as essential minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. Let's not forget the healthy fats. Eggs contain healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. These fats can help reduce inflammation in the body and improve cholesterol levels. So, including eggs in your diet can be a great way to support your cardiovascular health. Another fantastic benefit of eggs is their antioxidant content. Eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health. These antioxidants can help protect your eyes from damage caused by blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. And here's a fun fact. Eggs are one of the few natural sources of choline, an essential nutrient that supports brain health and development. Choline is particularly important during pregnancy and breastfeeding, as it plays a key role in fetal brain development. So, there you have it. Eggs are not just a source of cholesterol. They are a nutritional powerhouse that can provide numerous health benefits when included as part of a balanced diet. From high-quality protein to essential vitamins and minerals, healthy fats and antioxidants, eggs offer a wide range of nutrients that can support your overall health. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll discuss how to incorporate eggs into a heart-healthy diet. Thanks for watching, and take care. Welcome back to our deep dive on eggs and cholesterol. In this chapter, we're going to debunk some common myths about eggs and cholesterol. There are many misconceptions out there, and it's important to separate fact from fiction so we can make informed dietary choices. Myth number 1. Eating eggs will raise your cholesterol levels. This is probably the most widespread myth about eggs. While it's true that eggs contain cholesterol, research has shown that dietary cholesterol has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. The liver actually produces more cholesterol when you consume less of it from food. So, for the majority of people, eating eggs in moderation does not significantly affect blood cholesterol levels. Myth number 2. Eggs are bad for your heart. This myth stems from the belief that cholesterol in eggs can contribute to heart disease. However, numerous studies have found no direct link between egg consumption and an increased risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. In fact, eggs contain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that can support heart health. Myth number 3. You should only eat egg whites to avoid cholesterol. While egg whites are a good source of protein and contain no cholesterol, the yolk is where most of the nutrients are. The yolk contains essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that are beneficial for overall health. So, by avoiding the yolk, you may be missing out on many of the nutritional benefits that eggs offer. Myth number 4. Eggs are fattening. Eggs are relatively low in calories, with one large egg containing about 70 calories. They are also highly satiating due to their protein content, which can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially aiding in weight management. Including eggs as part of a balanced diet can actually be a smart choice if you're looking to maintain or lose weight. Myth number 5. You should limit egg consumption to avoid health issues. While it's always important to eat a varied and balanced diet, most people can safely consume 1 to 2 eggs per day without adverse effects on their health. In fact, eggs can be a valuable part of a healthy diet, providing essential nutrients and supporting overall well-being. So, there you have it. By debunking these myths, we hope to provide a clearer understanding of how eggs can be part of a healthy diet. Remember, it's all about balance and moderation. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll discuss how to incorporate eggs into a heart-healthy diet. Thanks for watching, and take care. Welcome back to our deep dive on eggs and cholesterol. In this chapter, we're going to provide practical tips and recipes for incorporating eggs into a balanced diet. From breakfast to dinner, eggs can be a versatile and nutritious addition to your meals. First, let's start with breakfast. A simple and quick option is scrambled eggs. You can enhance the nutritional value by adding vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Not only will this add flavor, but it will also provide a good dose of vitamins and minerals to kickstart your day. For those who prefer a grab-and-go option, consider making egg muffins. Mix beaten eggs with your favorite veggies, pour into muffin tins, and bake. These can be made in advance and stored in the fridge for a convenient breakfast throughout the week. Moving on to lunch, a classic choice is the egg salad. Use Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise for a healthier twist, and add some chopped celery and green onions for extra crunch. Serve it on whole grain bread or in a lettuce wrap for a balanced meal. For dinner, eggs can be a star ingredient in dishes like frittatas or quiches. These can be loaded with a variety of vegetables and even some lean protein like chicken or turkey. The best part is that they are easy to make and can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Don't forget about snacks. Hard-boiled eggs are a perfect portable snack that provides protein and keeps you feeling full between meals. Pair them with some carrot sticks or a piece of fruit for a balanced snack option. Lastly, let's talk about desserts. Yes, you heard that right. Eggs can be used in healthy dessert recipes too. Try making a protein-packed egg white omelet with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey for a sweet treat that won't derail your diet. Incorporating eggs into your meals is easy and beneficial for your health. With their versatility and nutritional value, eggs can be a valuable part of a balanced diet. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition advice. Thanks for watching and take care.